Bafana are licking their wounds after a 2-0 defeat to Mali in the Africa Cup of Nations Group E match on Tuesday night. The defeat put South Africa's national football team in a difficult position ahead of the next group stage match against neighbors Namibia on Sunday night. And Bafana is in a position that they have to win at all costs. Namibia opened their AFCON campaign like a house on fire when they beat highly favored Tunisia 1-0 early on Tuesday. The victory secured Namibia the second spot on the group standings. Mali and Namibia both have 3 points. However, the West Africans lead the group on goal difference. Bafana failed to capitalize after they were awarded a penalty kick in the first half after Evidence Makgopa was elbowed in the face. However, Pesitao flopped and didn't even score that penalty. After that, it was one-way traffic to the Mali players, who regrouped and went for the jugular. They scored their goals in the second half via Captain Hamari and Lassine Sinayoke. The South African coach Hugo Broos told Safa Media that we lost the game because of 2 reasons. First, it was by missing the penalty, and second, the physical power of Mali in the second half. Our performance was good in the first half. If we had scored that penalty, the result would have been different. The way we played in the first half was good. We had depth and a good combination play. I think the coach of Mali saw what we had to do, and they were strong in the duels in the second half. We lost the ball in the places we were not supposed to, and they scored the 2 goals and the game was finished. Hugo Broos also said overall the performance was good but not good enough. If you do not win your first match, you will not be in a good situation. We have to win our next match against Namibia, because if we play a draw, it will be difficult to proceed to the next round. We have to win that game. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.